So I want to share with you a few updates on the UC financial aid process. So given what's been going on with the current administration, they're cutting funding for a lot of higher education, particularly public institutions. So they're still committed to helping students from California as much as they can. So for families who make less than $100,000 in terms of income and assets, they can attend UC tuition free. So UCs will find ways to give you grants. Sometimes they might find loans to give you, and you might have to make up some of your tuition by doing something called work study. That's getting a job on campus. They also have something called the middle class scholarship. This is for families who earn up to $234,000, that's income and assets. If you fall under that income threshold, then they'll find ways to either give you grants, loans, a lot more loans than if you're under 100,000, and work study as well. Now, of course, you have to apply to FAFSA to be considered for any of these programs. And on top of that, I do need to warn you, I guess, with the passage of this new bill by the administration, the OBBA bill, that Pell students may be inadvertently harmed. They might be losing some grant money from the federal government. This Pell grant money used to come from the federal government, so they might be reducing those. This is going to impact students who fall in the lowest income thresholds. And then another thing you need to pay attention to is every student who files the FAFSA qualifies for government loans. And with this new OBBA bill, if you go down to part-time status, that might impact the amount of loans that you're able to qualify for the government. So this is something to keep in mind. Most students will keep their full-time status for 3.5, 4 years, but please keep in mind that going down to part-time status could impact those people who qualify for financial aid. Questions or comments about UCs and financial aid, feel free to leave them below.